guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today we hit up the Bennington Battle Monument in Old Bennington, Vermont. What a beautiful place. We actually went inside. We highly suggest if you're in this area to come check this out. It won't take very long usually, and you will definitely enjoy it. So let's go check it out. All right, we're gonna whip it in right here, park. Let's go check this thing out.
That is nice. So I don't know where we go. See this? See
I can even
Come over here. That is huge.
All right, guys, so here's what happens. You see this house right here. You go in there, you get your ticket. The ticket costs $5, and they also have some souvenirs and things like that in case you want it. But anyway, you get your ticket, you bring it over to the monument, you go inside, and you give it to the elevator person there. The person takes you up. They give you a nice little history lesson of the Bennington Battle Monument. We enjoyed it very much. You get to the top and you enjoy the views. Well worth the $5. I think it's more so of a donation and things like that. But it was just a great experience. We're gonna go get our ticket and we're gonna go up and check it out.
Holy cow. That is wild. No. Because this thing that could have done us on this, and then somebody dropped something. This is so nice. So this is the Berkshires. I've driven through there before. It's so amazing. Amazing. What do you think?
I'll be Josh.
Don't get much better than this. Don't get much better. I didn't even know we could come up here until I started seeing the elevator. That is so nice.
Alright guys, that does it for today's tour. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Definitely suggest coming here. Beautiful little area. Don't forget to show some love on the video. And we're going to go check out more of Bennington. So we will see you on the next one. Peace.